Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the new vlog. This vlog will actually go up before the Bucky vlog because we're actually not done with that just yet. The issue that I'm having with the Bucky is basically timing. Once I try and start this thing, it backfires and just goes insane. This is how far I got to the Bucky. Still some work needed. I got the alternator bracket, got the tensioners, got belts, everything. Basically we have everything hooked up. Just need to get a couple of new clamps for this, but we'll need to just figure out the timing and things, but I'm gonna get help with that to figure that out. But actually in today's video we'll be working on this thing. You might have seen this in a couple of my videos. You probably see it in one of my new shoots. What we're doing today is replacing the CV on it. This thing is making some bad noises, and we suspect it's probably because of like how low the car is and things. So this car does need to go for alignment, but the CV. So we'll basically be putting this onto that over there. I'll try my best to record it. Some of the stuff will be recorded on my phone as I don't have a tripod stable to actually take the weight of the camera. So I'll be sorting this out today. We're working on that today and like just getting small things done. I have to clean up a bit here as well. Just sorting out a couple of parts and things, and just finishing up the bolt on that Bucky as well. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that, and we're just gonna see how the day goes from there. Hey guys, what's up? Getting work done. We got the CV out so far. We got the entire shaft. The CV struggling to come off. Tried knocking it off, not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have to cut it off then. Hopefully I don't damage the shaft or anything like that. But yeah, we're making some progress. CV's off, all of that. And then once I'm done with it, I'll catch up with you guys. Yo guys, what's up? I'm back. So got the old CV off. So yeah, nothing was damaged on the CV itself or on the shaft itself, so that's kind of cool. In the box we got CV joint grease, got the new boot as well, and the CV joint itself, it's already been greased, but yeah, there's the clamps, there's the new nut, the C clamp, everything. Once I'm done with that, then I'll move to the Bucky. Yeah, I just need to fit the few stuff that I need to fit, and then sort out the timing, and hopefully from there we can make like something work. But yeah, we're making some good progress, which I am really happy for. And plus I have a really exciting shoot coming up this weekend. I'm not going to reveal anything just yet, but it's definitely something new. I also did a shoot finally of the red and blue Toyota. So if you go to my Instagram, I'll link it somewhere here below. If you go to my Instagram, you will see I did a mini shoot on those two cars. That was actually the first photo shoot I did with those two cars with the new camera, which I'm filming on right now. I did a video finally with him. More photos to come on my Instagram as well, and then I'll also be posting that video up on YouTube as well later in the week after I've gone through everything and edited. This video will go up before that, just so that I can like have some sort of content following up. But yeah, we're making some good progress, which I'm really happy about. So cool. Stick with me. I'll finish up the video with the car and stuff, and then we'll move on to the Ford, but that will be in a separate video. So yeah, cool, excited. Hey guys, so we are done. Yeah, done with this thing. New CVs in and stuff. He basically just asked me just to touch up some things. That was the wheel that I used. So basically just busy spraying the grill over and thing. Then we do have a bit of a problem with his door handle as well, that he asked me just to touch up for him. The issue on this thing is it's loose, so I think it's a screw behind there that needs to be replaced. So basically just gonna remove the door panel and then see from there, and then yeah, so basically just gonna get that done quick, and then we're gonna go from there basically. So yeah, making progress, good progress. So yeah. Hey guys, so finally done with the Toyota. It's dirty work. But yeah, finally done with the Toyota. I took it now for a test run. It's running pretty well. Finally making some progress on cars here. But that was a small thing. CV joints, door panel is fixed, door handle is fixed. So yeah, very successful. So yeah, in the next episode, I can say, I'll be doing a full coverage on the bucket and everything, struggles that I have to where we are now. But let me just add a bit of a B-roll sequence in of the Toyota, and we can take it from there. So thanks guys, enjoy.